Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and recording current DNS values so you can revert if needed. Next, open Network and Internet Settings. On Windows, go to Adapter Properties. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, right arrow Network, and select your interface. Once you've selected Wi-Fi or Ethernet, click Properties and find Internet Protocol v4, TCP/IP4. This first step locates where DNS is set and prepares you to enter new addresses quickly. Do not skip the backup of existing values. You now change the actual values. Use the following DNS server addresses and type your preferred and alternate IPs. Popular options are 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1. If you need IP6, adjust Internet Protocol v6, TCP/IP6 similarly. Once entered, apply and close the dialogues, then flush the DNS cache. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac OS, use sudo killall HUPM DNS responder, so the new servers take effect immediately. You finish by verifying. Ping a website and run nslookup to confirm the DNS server responded. This shows both reachability and correct resolution. If resolution fails, revert to the DNS values you saved, reboot the laptop and router, then try the alternate DNS. Make sure your firewall, VPN, or parental control service is not enforcing other DNS settings. These often override your changes. If problems persist, temporarily disable the VPN or firewall to isolate the issue before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.